guys, and welcome back again to What is Your Hobby. Today we're making some mini trinkets for our mini jewelries and small accessories like ring, necklaces and all. And before we start, I will show you what color clay I'll be using for mini trinkets. Take some dark olive green clay, with colored clay and a little amount of black clay. And keep your tools ready. Here I have needle tool, smoothing tool and cutter tool. Knead the clay with clean hands. After the clay is conditioned, roll it out and cut out a small portion of clay and keep it aside. And use the bigger clay and roll it into a bowl. This way. After that, just roll the clay flat like how we make roti. This trinket we will make a bear face trinket. Here I have a circle. The diameter is about 7 cm. If you wish to make bigger trinkets, then you can add more clay. Slowly and carefully bring up the border of the circle. Smoothen out the rough edge and marks. Mark 2 spots for ears and press down the raised border with your finger. Use the clay that was set aside and roll it into small balls. Make the ball flat. And cut it in half and attach it this way. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Use the smoothing tool to smoothen the piece. Now take the wheat colored clay and roll it into a ball shape. Make it flat and make an oval shape. Carefully add it in the middle and smoothen it out. Take the black clay in the same manner, cut it in 2 equal parts and make a ball. Here we have 2 black small balls which we will use it for eyes. Go ahead and add them this way. Give a gentle dab. Make another small black ball and flatten it. Pinch the clay with your finger and make a triangle shape this way. This will be the nose. Add it just below in the middle between 2 eyes. Again, take black clay and roll it till you get a very thin thread. After that, cut out a small thin clay of this size. Add it vertically just below the nose. Again, cut out 2 same size and put them in this manner. Here, the first mini trinket is ready. Now, let's make another one. For this next trinket, I'll be using all my leftover clay so that they don't go in waste. I'm reconditioning the clay and roll them in random size balls. Arrange the clay balls randomly in circular shape. Press down the balls flat one after another. Roll it with a roller. And just like the first one, carefully bring up the border of the circle. Now, let's decorate the trinkets by adding some small mushrooms. For that, take some white clay and roll them in this way, in a shape of a fat puffed rice. Then take red clay ball and flatten it. Bend the border a little and attach the white stem. Here is our mini mushroom. Let's carefully add the mushroom on the trinket. Repeat the process again. Take white clay and roll it into a small tiny dots and add on the mushroom for patterns. Second trinket is ready as well. Now let's pop our pieces into oven to bake. Here the mini trinkets are ready. Go ahead and put it on your dressing table and add your favorite piece of small accessories on it, and you can make bigger version of it as well. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to What Is Your Hobby channel, and stay tuned for next video. Until then, take care and bye.